Hello everyone, here is Dr. Cupcakes on another adventure of another lifetime.
Anton, show the couch.
How's the climb? Oh right, he wants me to show you the couch. That's his couch over there apparently. Hey Dr. Cakes. Do you like the noise?
No,
It's coming from over there somewhere. Yeah, as you can see, he's climbing. Hey Dr. Cakes, do you like climbing? Oh, I guess he hates climbing, okay. Yeah. I don't know why he's doing it then. Hi people, in the woods here, as you can see. So Dr. Cakes told me to stand here and talk about stuff. I don't know what he wants me to do or what he's gonna do, and I don't know if you can see, well you can't see him, I don't know if you heard him. He's over there, hiding behind a tree. I can easily see him, but he thinks he's hidden. Yeah, I guess the theme of today's episode is Dr. Cakes is gonna hide from the camera. We'll see if he's very good at it. Doesn't look like he is. Yeah, he's really not. We can easily see you, Dr. Cakes.
no, you can't. Don't bring the camera towards me.
Okay, I won't. Bye. Ooh, mud. Sorry about the annoying background noise, people, but check out this beautiful nature. There's a little waterfall there. Oh no. Oh no. Dr. Cakes.
Hey guys, guess what? I'm a good explorer. I'm a good navigator.
No, you're not.
I can lead Anton to the way out here.
Okay, Isaac, which way is the big tree? That way or that way?
Huh?
Okay. Is the big tree that direction or that direction?
That's easy.
Which way is it? Tell me.
It's that direction.
Thank you. See, it's this way.
Yeah. But I'm gonna guess it's this way. But I might be wrong. I'm gonna guess it's
What,
this
that way?
Yeah.
No.
I'm going this way. This is the big.
You're gonna end up on a highway.
Come on, this is the big tree.
Okay, bye. What was that, Dr. Cakes?
I sound so loud.
You're loud?
Yeah.
Really?
Like this.
Wow, you really are loud. Why don't you keep going?
Why don't you do it? Hey
I think
Anton.
we're disturbing the peace of nature.
Hey Anton.
Yeah?
Go down that way. Check out what's down that way.
Okay. Why?
Keep going.
Okay.
Keep going.
Okay.
Until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Keep going. Until I tell you to stop. Keep going. Keep going. That's right. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. That's right. Keep going. Keep going until I tell you to stop. Don't look. Keep going. Keep going.
Hi people, Dr. Brownies here walking. Sorry about the shaky-cam. That's what I wanted to tell you about. We decided to change the theme of the episode. Well, Dr. Cakes made me change it. So I guess we're going to be making loud noises outdoors. So welcome to Loud Noises Outdoors Edition. Thank you, Dr. Cakes.
You think people can hear us?
I don't know if they can. Maybe. Hey, Dr. Cakes.
What?
Could you give the audience like a really good demonstration of how you make loud noises that loud?
Oh, really? Like this?
Yeah.
You want to show them?
Sure.
I'll show them.
Yeah, how do you do it?
Here, I'll show you. Come here. Put the camera over here.
Wow. Thanks.
Come on, slowpoke. Keep up.
You keep up.
I'm all the way up ahead. You're slow like a snail. Hurry up.
Bye, Dr. Cakes.
Hey! I'm supposed to be the leader.
No, you're not. Bye.
Answer this one.
What?
I'm going back home. Bye.
Okay, cool. Bye.
Destination.
What?
Watch my destination.
You know where you're going?
Yeah, I do.
Where?
I'll show you. The big. So which way are we trying to head?
We're going to the big tree.
Really?
Yeah.
So, if we want to head to the big tree. Big tree, big tree, big tree. Where is it?
So, you see, Dr. Cakes, the big tree is that one. So you're going to want to go that one.
Really?
Yeah. Go ahead.
You're kidding.
No, no.
That's why it says Asbury Park. Oh, actually, that's where the tree is.
Yeah, the tree is definitely at Asbury Park.
Because
Go that way.
it says leaf right there and it says tree right here. Okay, I'll go that way.
Okay.
Let's you get there first.
The tree is this way.
Let's you get there first.
Oh, I don't know, Dr. Cakes. I think you're gonna get there first. It's gonna be me! What? Dr. Cakes just said I better run because he's gonna get there first, but it's literally right over there. Haha, I beat you to the tree, Dr. Cakes.
No, the tree's right here.
No, it's literally right there.
Right here.
No, it's over here.
Right here.
Nope. Haha, I won. Oh no, Dr. Cake seems to be really mad at me because I tricked him. Oh no. Again with the loud noises.
What are you filming? Yes, I can scream louder. Hey, Anton, what are you filming?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. It's not even filming. Totally.
I'm sorry. Am I scared?
Pretty loud. Yeah.
Why are you making money over here, Anton?
I didn't. Aren't you the one that controls the weather?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, audience. Do you remember Dr. Cakes' weather powers?
Anton, what happened here?
Oh, looks like part of the tree fell down. That's not
Oh,
good.
good. That's what deserves.
All right, I forgot how much you hate nature.
I'm gonna cut down this tree. Hurry. Turn.
Wow, such violence.
This tree.
Hey people, Dr. Brownies here in the woods. You can't see me because I'm behind the camera, but this is a tree. You've probably seen it before in our videos, but it's a very nice tree. And Dr. Cakes is about to walk in front of the camera. Please don't do that, Dr. Cakes.
Yes, sir.
So, see people, this tree is very big. That's because it's almost as old as me. Dr. Cakes, don't do that. No.
Wow, violence!
Yeah, you do it to me all the time. You know what, people? Dr. Cake is gonna get what he deserves. That's what you get.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean business, Dr. Cakes.
Film about the tree.
What?
Film about the stupid tree.
Did you just call the tree stupid?
Yes.
Wow.
Just film it.
You really don't like the tree, do you?
The tree is the ugliest tree I've ever seen.
Wow.
Film.
It is filming. Wow, tree, I'm so sorry about what Dr. Cakes has said, and
Just film about the tree.
check out this awesome tree. Isn't it so cool?
It's ugly.
No, it's not.
It's ugly.
Why don't you go jump in that pile of mud over there? Hey, why you little... I don't know. Maybe it's you.
Yeah, it is me. Come here. Sit down.
No, I'm staying over here.
Why?
Hey, Dr. Cakes.
Why?
What are you doing up there?
Sitting
Cool.
on my beautiful deck that I made.
You made that?
This is where I live.
How many houses do you have?
I live in the woods, dumpster, school,
Okay.
trailer.
Cool.
That's where I live.
Neat.
What do you think?
Trash. That's what it looks like.
Hey guys! Anton disappoints me.
I try my best.
Yeah, come here.
What?
Come here.
Why?
Bring the camera over here.
No.
Please.
No. Just keep talking.
Anton, I want you to play dead real quick. Play dead.
No.
No, trust me, it's first skit.
No.
Why?
Just keep talking to the audience about your bench.
I'm good.
Yeah, keep going.
What are you gonna do? Yeah, so my bench is nice and awesome. I made it.
Dr. Cakes.
Huh?
I got up here. I emerged. Hi.
So you still patient?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I'm gonna teleport again.
No, you're not. Walk
There, see, Dr. Cakes? I teleported.
Wow, people, that's what. He's a fraud. Anton's a fraud.
No, I'm not.
Anton's a fraud!
Wow, again with the loud noises. See, I told you it was you. Alright, that's enough.
No, people.
Oh, hey, did you make that rock too? Did you carve that?
Yeah, I did.
Did you carve all these rocks?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
That's my pillow right there.
Cool.
What do you think of my pillows?
They're nice.
Like I live here in the woods.
Cool.
This is
Hi, people. Here we are at the tree stump again.
Hey,
I don't know if you
people,
remember
guess
this.
what?
Dr. Cakes is the one who cut this down.
Hey,
I don't know
people,
why.
guess what? People like my screaming. The audience like my screaming for once.
Why did you, Dr. Cakes, could you move out of the way? The camera can't see.
Oh, okay.
The camera does not want to see that.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
So why don't you explain what happened, Dr. Cakes?
Yeah, I will. Here, why don't you sit the camera down and I'll explain it. Here, sit down there.
No,
Why?
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me?
No, I don't.
Wow. That's disappointing.
Thank you.
What else is disappointing?
What?
Come here, I'll show you. Come here, I'll show you. Hey, audience, wanna know what happens when people try to beat me up back there by the big tree?
What? Oh, that, yeah.
Ow!
Wow. Dr. Cakes thought he could actually defeat me in combat.
I want to talk about this tree.
You know what, Dr. Cakes? Over 4 million years plus of life, I've learned many things. Like how to defend myself. How to defend myself from fools like you.
I cut down this big tree. Ah!
So, Dr. Cakes, tell me about how you live here.
So I live here. This is where I live. I just found a nice new house, and I have a lot of houses. Over here is my lights right here. I'm gonna make these lights. They turn on. They light up. All these trees light up in the middle of the night.
Cool.
Then that's my yard right there. I don't want a big, huge grass, so I'm not lazy or mow a lot. So I have to mow a lot. It's hard labor and all that, hard physical labor.
Really?
Yeah.
You're so lazy sometimes, you know that?
Yeah, so that's my yard. I'm planning on putting like a big, huge bed right there. And a table and benches and a chair.
Cool. So what do you do with all these leaves? What do you do with them?
Oh, those just drop all the time off the trees.
Do you do anything with them or do you just leave them?
I just leave them there. That's like carpet.
Ah, cool. Is it comfortable?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, nice.
So what do you think of my house?
It's okay, I guess.
Like, what's better, the trailer, the school?
Your house out here in the woods is kind of mid, honestly.
Really?
Yeah.
And this is my, like, bridge right here that I made.
Cool. Did you make that out of all the trees you killed?
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because,
Do you like killing trees?
and over here, these are my stairs I made out of the trees I killed.
Okay, cool.
That I made out of my own trees, out of my own stairs. And over there is my next project, right there. I killed that tree right there.
Why?
Because it's dead.
Okay, that totally makes sense.
And also I'm planning on killing that tree right there.
Why?
Because I want to make
Don't you think that's kind of weird?
I want to make a lot more room in my house.
You know this is a kid's show, right?
I want to make a lot more room in my house. Where I live. Anton, question.
So how big is your house?
Is that like the neighborhood that your grandparents used to live in right there?
No.
So like, why do they have 2 living rooms?
Because.
Huh?
So anyway, how big is your house here?
Pretty big.
Like, do you know exact?
All the way up to Walnut Creek Middle School.
Do you know the exact dimensions of it, or just vague, like big dimensions? Cool. Do you ever go swimming down there?
Yeah, I do sometimes.
Oh, cool. Is the water nice?
Yeah, that's my pool.
Cool. Do you have any comment on that loud background noise?
No, but we're gonna go find out what the noise is.
Okay, cool.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Cool. Okay, people, so apparently this is Dr. Cakes' pond where he goes fishing, but you said breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Yeah, I kill them, I eat them, and I burn them.
Wow, don't you think that's a little too gross for a kid's show?
And sometimes I eat them raw.
Wow, that's disgusting. Okay, well, how come there are no fish in the pond? I don't see any.
Because I killed them all already.
Okay, this is getting too dark for the kids' show. Hello people, Dr. Brownies here, walking in the woods behind Dr. Cake. Sorry about the shaky cam, but also sorry about the background noise. I don't know what that's all about. But, so you see, today, Dr. Cakes and I came here to the woods for filming. Right, Dr. Cakes?
No.
Yeah, we did. So,
Yes.
Dr. Cakes said that he wanted to come here at 1:20 p.m. But you see, he had to go to a birthday party for one of his friends. By the way, whoever's birthday it was, happy birthday to them. I don't know who it was. But, oh hey, all the stuff's gone. But we agreed to come here at 2 o'clock instead. So I got a ride. I got here at 2 o'clock. And Dr. Cakes was on the other side of town. He wasn't even here yet. He wasn't even trying to get here yet. So he decided, thank you, Dr. Cakes. So he decided not to show up until 40 minutes late. So we barely got anything done today so far. So Thank you, Dr. Cakes, for your terrible planning skills. Your planning skills really are bad. Thank you, Dr. Cakes. Thank you for your poor planning. Okay, I've had enough of this. Hi people, so Dr. Cakes and I were talking about his house again. I don't know where he's going, but apparently this is his kitchen, this bridge. I don't know.
My kitchen!
That's your kitchen?
Yeah, the bridge.
How?
That's my car garage. I keep my cars.
So I guess he keeps his cars and his kitchen here. Alright.
No, just my cars.
What about the kitchen?
The kitchen's over there.
Then why'd you tell me it was back there?
Just don't argue with me on my house.
No. You're not making any sense today. So, continuing on with the climbing, Dr. Cakes is climbing up this hill again. Hey, Dr. Cakes, good job. You're almost at the top.
Really?
Yeah. Good job. You should be proud. Oh, and he's sitting down. Hold on, I'll catch up really quick. I'll be there right away. Camera fell down. See, I caught up to you really quick. And I tricked you. You weren't at the top yet. I'm gonna get there first.
Hey, cheer.
What?
Cheer.
What?
Cheer.
I'm not a cheater. You're the one who sat down.
So why does your grandparents have like 2 living rooms?
Hey people, Dr. Cakes just had the nerve to say he's a nature expert. Can you believe it?
I know all about nature, guys.
I don't.
I like to prove it.
Really?
Like, every time it rains, the mud gets muddy here.
Whoa, that's some crazy knowledge right there.
And all these trees were grown by people.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on a second. Let me catch up so the camera can pick up your voice better. No, not like that. So, what do you know about, what else do you know about nature?
Nature is where it gets too sunny and hot out.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of sunny, not really hot. I mean,
And-
we are wearing jackets.
And there's birds out too that whistles and sings.
Yeah.
That's not how you do bird communication.
Sure it is.
No, watch this.
How do you know?
Wait, wait, wait,
Caw, 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 caw.
wait, wait, wait.
Okay, let's do it. Hey, Dr. Cakes. Check it out.
Visit the
Hey, Dr. Cakes, check this out. Because of where we are right now and where the camera's pointed, it can't even see what we're standing on. So it's like we're just floating up here at the top of the world. Yeah. Yeah, come on up here. You'll be at the top of the world.
You're the king.
Yeah, I'm the king.
No.
Yeah. I'm the king. I'm the king of this world, and you're my loyal subject.
You're still the king, even though I'm up here.
Yeah, I'm the king.
Hey, people, I'm gonna.
We're gonna have an epic battle for the
Hey, wait, Anton, I have a question. Look at the camera real quick. Say something to the camera. Hey,
something.
tell the audience about our movie, like how it turned out.
Oh, our movie that came out a while ago?
Yeah, tell them about it.
Okay, well, it was very difficult to make because of this guy's shenanigans. No, you don't. Excuse me. Do you want me to cough on you? No, I didn't cough on you. I spared you. Confusing eye poke.
Tell the audience about the movie and turn around that way.
It was a big hit. Big success. I'm really glad everyone liked it.
Anton, can you jump right there?
No,
Jump right there.
why don't you jump?
Why don't you jump?
I'm the king. I'm in charge. I give you the orders, not the other way around.
Really?
Jump over there.
Really? Okay, I'll jump. I'll jump.
You're beneath me now. Haha, I'm the king.
Yeah, but you want to know what's better than being king?
What?
I'll show you.
I don't think the camera can see you.
You're right, it can. But the camera can see me.
Working on it. Hey audience, check it out. Dr. Cakes is the king, but I'm gonna dethrone him.
Oh, no!
Get down from here. This is an epic battle.
I will get down! I will get down! I will get down! Just don't push me.
Okay, get down. Ooh. A sword!
Ah! You're weak! Hey, Anton, what's that? Look that way. Here, put the stick down. Look, right there. Right there, like, near me. Keep looking that way. Look how cool the Asbury farm is.
Ooh, pretty.
Look, keep looking at those pools. Look at those white pools. Nope.
Now you die, Dr. Cakes.
I am the king of this world. You don't deserve to be king. Jerk.
You can have the throne. I don't care anymore.
You don't care?
No. What I care about is the nature of the world. Oh, how this world is so
Hey,
beautiful.
nature, you're stupid.
So are you. It almost makes me want to break out in song, but I won't because I don't want to.
Hey, Anton, what's still about the electrical pole? Come here.
Fine.
Go visit Walnut Creek.
No.
Why? I want to.
So what do you want, Dr. Cakes?
Say, Anton, do you know this pool right here?
Yeah.
Come here.
Oh, shut up.
Here. Why don't you test it out, see if it's safe? Here, put your whole hand on there. You're supposed to electrocute yourself.
No. Here, why don't you try it?
Here, try that one.
It's not working. It's not on.
Here, try that one. Try that one.
I'm gonna prove to you this thing isn't on.
I'll try this one to see if it's safe.
Fine.
Is this one safe, Anton?
Maybe.
Check. It's safe? Yeah. Really? Really? Okay.
Go ahead, touch it. It's not on.
You're kidding.
No.
How you turn on the electric pole?
What?
How you turn on the electric pole?
You don't know? Aren't these your poles?
Yeah, but I don't want them to turn on.
Okay. Well, I know how to turn them on, but I'm not gonna do it.
Wanna know how I turn them on?
Sure.
Watch.
It doesn't work. You didn't turn it on.
Huh.
Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand. See? He's faking it. He's faking it. See, this is how you turn it on. You push this button up here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a button up there. There, I pushed the button, and now... Ah, see? Now it works.
Huh? Wait, it didn't work, so I'm laying on the ground for no reason.
Yeah, you're faking it.
Really?
Yeah. Here, let me help you up.
Really?
Yeah, come on.
You're gonna help out? Oh.
What's that sound?
My phone. My
Hey,
phone.
Dr. Cake.
My phone. Ah!
Yeah. Are you okay?
No, you won't. Now.
Electricity. Ugh.
Now, time for you pass out. Get on the ground. Come here, Anton, come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Here, come here. That's what he gets.
What did I do?
Now I'm gonna leave you there forever. And you'll be too tired and shocked out to carry the camera.
Hey, Dr. Cake.
Is it on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna test it.
Yeah, it's on.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, no, hey, come here. Anton, can I show you a trick?
Sure.
Here. Here, come around. Come around.
I got so much electricity.
Here,
think
watch.
I'm,
Even though if you put him on one more time, he'll pass out.
I have
Watch.
so much electricity on me. Just touching another person could
Okay, that's not how.
could destroy them. Now you're electrocuted too.
That's not how.
Oh, I guess I need more energy. Now I electrocute you.
I'll touch it myself.
Okay, go ahead, do it.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
I'm not touching this.
Go ahead,
You're not
do
gonna
it.
make me touch it.
Haha. Now he's on the ground for real. Haha. Haha.
Anton, is that you?
No.
I see the light.
Cool. Bye. Wow! Tweet, 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 tweet.
I'm kind of not. I love them. I
What?
love birds.
What?
I kiss birds.
Okay, that's a little strange.